Hello everybody, me and my man Vito here are going to show you how to put a prop on. We're going to do this quick because I know everybody's probably watching this at work and they're not supposed to be. So here we got prop, shaft, prop, nuts, cotter pin, and a key. So actually what you're going to need is a marker. So you're going to take the prop without anything on it, no grease, no lube, no nothing, and put it right on till it goes right on the taper, and then you're going to mark a line right here. You're going to put a line right here, right? And then you're going to take the prop off, right? You know? And then you're going to take the key, put the key back in, tap it in a little bit. Make sure the key is all the way in, right? Then you're going to take the prop, then you're going to put it right back on. Boom. See that, Vito? Look at that. And the line matches right up to where you made the line. And then, most importantly, see this, Vito? You're going to take this fat nut first. You're going to put it on. As soon as it comes on. Come on. Right, so you're going to take the fat nut. You're going to put it on all the way. Then you're going to crank on it. Right, Vito? And then you're going to take it back off. Off. Like that. Right? Take it off. And then you're going to put the thin nut. You're going to take the thin nut. You're going to put the thin nut back on. You're going to go all the way to the end. Right? And so you're going to take this guy and you're going to crank it on there. You're not going to crank it too much because it's a thin nut. But as best you can, and then you're going to take the fat nut, you're going to crank that on there, and last but not least, Vito, the cotter pin, boom. So when you're done, it's going to look like this. The fat nut on the outside, the thin nut on the inside. Hope you enjoyed that. There you go, Vito. That's it.